I'm British. I was born here. I grew up here. Britain is my home. But because my parents were from Bangladesh, according to the Tories, I should be treated differently.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, the British people have had enough of open borders and uncontrolled immigration.
And what's even more galling, Mr. Deputy Speaker, is that the Prime Minister is getting someone with brown skin colour to do his dirty work.
And it seems to me entirely inappropriate that we should make one of our strategies that of being able to take away citizenship from people who very often have lived here since they were 1 or 2 years old. Very often, if they were sent to the other country, which they've never been to and don't speak the language anymore, they will face summary execution. At least one case that applies. So this is an uncivilised, legally disputable removal of the rights of people who may not be good people, but then put them in front of our courts and punish them. That's the way British justice should work, that's the way British democracy should work, and that's what we should do today.
Hear, hear, hear.